Welcome to my channel RR into your kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and don't forget to click bell icon to get new notifications.
Hello friends, today's recipe is the most popular Hyderabad restaurant special dessert, Apricot Delight. This dessert is a rich fusion of juicy apricots, soft cake, custard and cream. This dessert tastes extremely delicious, you'll just love it. So in today's video, I'll show you how to prepare this dessert recipe easily at home. So without any delay, let's get started. First, take 12 dried seedless apricots in a bowl. To this, add half cup hot water. Soak it for 4 to 5 hours. If you have enough time, soak it for overnight. I have soaked it for overnight. Now you can see apricots soaked very nicely. Next, in another bowl, take 3/4 cup fresh cream. Next to this, add 4 teaspoons condensed milk. If you don't have condensed milk, you can also add powdered sugar. But if you add condensed milk, it gives an ice cream taste. Next, add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Stir and combine well and refrigerate it for some time. Meanwhile, we'll cook apricots and custard. Next, heat the pan. To this, add soaked apricots along with the water. Add half cup sugar. Saute on a medium heat for few seconds until sugar dissolves. Once sugar dissolves, cover with the lid and cook apricots in sugar syrup for 15 minutes on a low-medium flame till apricots are cooked. After 15 minutes, take out the lid. Cook until all the sugar syrup absorbs. Apricots turn soft and mushy. Once apricots turn soft, turn off the flame and let it cool down. Once it cools down, blend to a puree. Next, we'll make custard. To prepare custard, heat a saucepan and add 2 cups milk. Heat milk on a medium flame until it comes to a boil. Once milk comes to a boil, add half cup sugar. Stir well until sugar dissolves. Now reduce the flame to low. Add 2 teaspoons custard powder to 1/4 cup warm milk. Make a thin paste and add to the boiled milk. Stir well to prevent lumps and cook until custard turns lightly thick. Make sure to cook custard lightly thick because once it cools down, it turns even more thick. So make sure to be pouring consistency. Once custard is lightly thick, turn off the flame and let it cool completely. Meanwhile, custard cools down. Slice a vanilla sponge cake. Using a cookie cutter, cut cake into a round shapes. If you don't have a cookie cutter like this, you can also use a sharp lid or a glass to do this. Or else you can also trim the edges of the cake slices. Crumble it and keep it aside. Once custard cools down, now we'll arrange everything in layers. Take a bowl. First layer with apricot puree. Next layer with custard. Add a cake slice to this. Next layer with apricot puree. Pour custard on top of it. And layer with chilled cream. Now top it up with pistachios or any desired dry fruits and cherries. Refrigerate this for 3 to 4 hours and serve it chilled. Here I have shown you how to arrange this in a single layer. For double layers, take a bowl, layer with apricot puree, next layer with cake crumbles, pour custard on top of it, again add a cake slice, next layer with apricot puree, pour custard on top of it and chilled cream. Now top it up with pistachios and cherries. Now you can see delicious apricot delight is ready. Refrigerate this for 3 to 4 hours for perfect bite and serve it chilled. Try this recipe and let me know in the comments if you like it. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel RR into your kitchen for more delicious recipes.